Namaste. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content. In today's video, we are going to discuss 4 steps to follow if you can't decide your business idea.
Step 1. Focus on your skills, experience and passion. Go with what you definitely know or wouldn't fret catching on quickly. You don't have to be a specialist immediately, however utilizing abilities and experience you've acquired can build your odds of accomplishment. Find out if you're enthusiastic about running this organization. Without that drive, it could be difficult to stick it out through difficult stretches. Step 2. The perfect idea. Individuals put an unfathomable measure of significant worth into the thought. Actually, however, everything about progress and business is in the execution. Ideas are very common. The human mind has roughly 50,000 thoughts every day, a large number of them ideas. The reality is your greatest chance of success is to pick an idea, preferably one that has been proven already, is simple to start and you can start pretty much right away. Let's break that down. The idea should be proven. The idea should be simple. The idea should be possible to start pretty much right away. The idea needs to be proven, not necessarily original, so instead of waiting for the perfect idea, look at what is already out there that you can your own talk or spin on. Step 3. Business plan. Another vital step is drafting a business plan for your business. It can be either formal or informal, but most importantly, it allows you to crystallize the core components of your business. If you aren't ready to dive into a full business plan, the one-page business plan is a great resource. It is a short book designed to help you focus your ideas on your developing business so you can easily share them with potential partners and investors. Step 4. Permission. The next step is big. This is the step many fail to take. If you're dreaming to start when the perfect idea hits, then probably you will never start. Meanwhile, other successful entrepreneurs are already starting and making progress. The reason we do this is because it's what we know. In our careers, we are used to other people giving us permission. We get given jobs. We rarely just take them and let everyone else know it's happening. We always get chosen for promotions, for sporting teams, for everything. So, this time give yourself the permission and start your business.